In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install drivers in Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, what you want to go ahead and do to download literally any of your drivers is go to your Windows icon, right click on it. You're going to see a few different options here. What you want to do is go ahead and click on your device manager. If you can't find it over there, what you can also do is literally just search up device manager like so, and it's also going to come up. But now it's going to look like this. And now all I want to do is for anything, so like any device, anything like that. Let's say I went to keyboards and or like mouse or anything like that. There's monitors as well. If I want to download any like of my drivers or anything like that, all I gotta go ahead and do is right click on it, and I'm gonna see update driver as one of the options. Now you can search automatically for best drivers, or I can browse my computer. Only do this one when you've actually gone over to like Google Chrome or something and you downloaded a driver manually. Otherwise, search automatically for best drivers. If you need a driver update, it's going to say it, but otherwise it's going to say the best drivers for your device are already installed. But yeah, it's as simple as that. You can do this for literally anything like your cameras or anything like that as well. So if I want to do it with my cam link, press update driver, search automatically, same thing as well. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other videos on the channel as well.